back to my channel. The day has finally arrived. Okay, my initial recipe made with my brand new Sunbeam stand mixer. It's a MixMaster. I have decided to make carrot cake for the recipe. I was going to make oatmeal raisin cookies, and I had to look through my channel, and I already have a recipe up there like that. So, something new. Here we go. This is a really simple recipe, and don't worry about taking notes during the video. It'll all be in the description box below, ready for you just to copy and paste it into your own Word program, print it off, and there you go. You got the recipe, no problem. Anyway, here we go. Let's go. To start off with, there's prep work, okay? You preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which I've done. It is up to temp now. And you grease and flour a 13 by 9 pan, or you can use alternatively 18 muffin cups. Okay, and there are different timings for baking, obviously, depending on what you use, but that'll all be in the description box, not to worry. I'm going to use the 13 by 9 pan and make a sheet cake. And here we go. Okay, so you start off, once all that's done, in the mixer bowl, you stir together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. So all the dry ingredients go in the bowl first. So here we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour into the bowl, 2 cups of sugar into the bowl. I pre-measured everything to make this video as fast as possible. And there is 1 teaspoon of each of baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. So they all go in with the dry ingredients. There we go. And what I like to use is a simple whisk, just to get them mixed together pretty evenly to start with. That way you don't have pockets of things showing up in the mix. They're all pretty much evenly distributed. And let's see. And there we go. So, okay, onto the stand, and it sits firmly. There's a groove in this that the bowl sits in, nice and sturdy. Okay, now I have the beater attachments obviously already there. So we tilt the head down. Okay, press the button and tilt it down. And if I shift the bowl to the side, it will help rotate the bowl and as I'm mixing. Now that I've got the dry ingredients well incorporated, now we add the next ingredients are 3 cups of finely shredded coconut, and that goes in. Here we go, and it goes on low just to start mixing. Start to mix things in. Okay. Let's mix the carrot in there. I've got the overhead shot so you can see inside the bowl as it's mixing as well. Notice how nice and quiet this mixer is too. My old beater, oh, it was a noisy thing. So I am really happy with this one. Okay, let's just kick it up a notch to get it to move it some more. There we go. And as I crank the speed up, the bowl in response will kick up a notch as well. Alright, let's get some liquid in here. To this we add 1 cup of oil. Now that can be to your choice, whether it's vegetable oil, canola oil, soybean oil, your preferred oil. Okay? There we go. There's starting to move a little looser now. And it takes 4 eggs. Now keep in mind this is a sheet cake, so there we go. Now we're starting to kick. Alright. Move it down to 5, which is light mixing. There we go. Now it's starting to form up. Start adding the eggs. We need to add 4 eggs. There's 2. And 4 going in now. I have to tell you, I am thrilled with not having to put down and pick up the mixer every time, and I can add things as I need to without interrupting the mix. There we go. Now this cake can be topped with your favorite icing, be it buttercream, cream cheese icing, anything you normally find on a carrot cake. This obviously is up to you totally how you finish it. This recipe is just for the carrot cake itself. I will be frosting it later. So I'll put that recipe on my channel when I go to do that. But right now this is the carrot cake. Now you mix this on medium speed for 2 minutes. So okay, I got the timing down, and we're on about medium speed. We're on speed 6 out of a 12-speed mixer, so that's medium. Okay, and once this is well combined and it's mixed for its 2 minutes, to make sure it's thoroughly mixed, you pour it into your prepared pan and bake it. The 13 by 9 by 2 bakes for 50 to 60 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you test it with a toothpick to ensure it's cooked. If it comes out clean, it's done. And then you cool it on a rack and go ahead and make your frosting. Because you can't frost it until it's cool anyway. So hey. And there is the 2-minute mark. So lay it back a little and turn it off. There we go. Alright, so move this up a bit. Make room for our pan. There we go. Now I am going to release the beaters I'll unplug the mixer just to avoid any problems. Okay, and there's an eject button. Simply reach up on the top, eject the beaters, and they're done. Okay, there we go. Now there's the cake batter right there, and we simply pour it into our prepared pan, as I said. That was incredibly easy to do. Didn't take very long at all. And as soon as I get it into the pan, it'll be into the oven, which is at heat. Alright. There we go. Alright. Off to the oven we go with this. And we'll be right back as soon as... And we're back. Okay, it took my oven 55 minutes to bake. I did test it with a toothpick, and it came out clean, which meant it was done. And we've decided to eat it like a snack cake rather than frost it or make any big deal of it. So I have my hubby here. Yaw. Okay, he's gonna test a piece for me and let you know what it really tastes like. Okay, he's chosen the inside piece. It's bigger. Let's see. It looks light and fluffy and moist.
Oh, it is light, fluffy, and moist.
It is. Okay, there's your
just look it actually is.
Okay. And the taste. Is it good?
Oh, I'd say so.
I'm
still eating it.
Got half the piece gone already.
I'm picky.
He is picky. He really is. He would give you the straight goods. If he didn't like it, he would tell you.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. All right, it passes the hubby test. As I said, the recipe will be in the description box with all the different variations of what you can cook it in and the timings. 13 by 9 by 2 pan round pans or muffins. It can go in any of those, and I'll leave you the timings for the baking there. And it's all at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, so there you go. Thanks very much for watching, and I think my first Sunbeam stand mixer recipe, big success. Thumbs up. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.